What's up with it, y'all? Back at it again. I know y'all been waiting to see the video for my M&P 22 compact. We got it coming for you today. Yes, I got on hearing protection. Yes, I got a holster. If y'all didn't know, this is the holster that I did the video on for my Smith and Wesson, and this is another Smith and Wesson. And so, hey, the holster works. This is not a good retention holster for this, but just walking around at a range or something, you know, something that can keep your gun in your on your side or whatever, it works good for that. We just got us up a little shoot and see target. We're gonna take us a couple shots at it. You know, I'm gonna talk about the gun, let you know how it works and all that. And it's pretty much it, you know. I'm just, you know, the first couple shots, we still probably under 100 rounds with the gun. I had did another video, but my other cameraman the other day didn't record nothing but my back. I might roll in a couple of clips of that right now. I might.
You say you gonna roll?
Roll in a couple of clips.
Oh, I thought you mean like take off walking, roll. Like
no, I ain't gonna do all that today. I might roll in a couple of clips of that. But so here we go. Might need to bring the camera in a little closer, just a tad bit. I got another cameraman today. Okay, that about good. That should be about good.
We got cameraman Dan on camera today.
I hope everything in frame. I hope my cameraman today is doing everything he need to do. So we just got it loaded up with 11 rounds. We got 10 in the chamber. We got one in the chamber.
Okay, let's see how this turned out.
We got one in the chamber and 10 in the magazine. So we're gonna see how it goes. And I do still need to adjust my sights, so I might be off. That was the first mag. I'm gonna hand this to my assistant. He gonna reload it for me. You know what? We're just gonna go ahead and put 20 in here. In the put 20 in there. I'm shooting a little high.
Well, you gonna put 20 in the chamber again?
Yeah, I'm gonna put 20 in the chamber again. I'm shooting a little high and right. I forgot my sight adjustment tool that came with it. So today I'm not gonna be able to adjust it, but I'm gonna see if I can work around it and shoot in the bullseye. I'm gonna try it now. Weapon is clear. Tighten down my thread protector. Reholster the weapon. As y'all can see, I got one in the bullseye, but that ain't too bad for a 20 round group. 20 shot group, whatever you want to call it. 21 shot. But we're gonna do it again. But anyway, we a little bit closer. It's a shoot and see target, so as you see, we shot it and you can see, and we covered it back up. But let's try it again. Reload. Clear. Holstered. As you can see, That's the second group. We actually knocked one of the little stickers back off in there. But that ain't too bad. Like I said, I gotta adjust the sights, man. Get them back on. I ain't bring my little tool, so we're gonna have to readjust that. Right now, we're just gonna take one shot and just to see what type of damage it does to a water bottle. As you saw, now we're gonna test out, as you already know, it's not a complete test if you don't test a 1 gallon water jug. We're not testing for penetration today. We just testing for energy transfer from this barrel. And we also got another thing we're gonna compare it to. Weapon holstered. Now we have my Ruger 1022 chambered in 22 long rifle, and we're gonna be using this as a velocity comparison, because think about it, this short barrel compared to that barrel. I'm talking to my cameraman, don't worry about it. So we should get a lot more velocity out of this, which would translate to a lot more energy transfer. Let's see what it do. Maybe if I cock the weapon first.
Hour. Amateur hour. You.
What's the problem?
You just trying to shoot the gun when the cock to you.
Oh.
Amateur hour.
Maybe if I cock the gun, it'll work.
No, now he gets.
Weapon clear. All right, this was the shot from the pistol. As you can see, entrance hole. It blew out the side right here, and then it proceeded to exit out the back. Left the top intact and everything. Excuse me. But yeah, that was from the pistol. Now, when you up the velocity with a longer barrel, you get this. Blew that out substantially more. It entered in right here, as you can see. Wait a minute. I might be wrong. Look like it entered in right there. But as you see, it blew all that out. It popped the top off, and it fractured that all up in there and split the back in here. So, as you can see, a lot more energy transfer coming from that longer barrel. But yeah, this is my Smith and Wesson M&P 22 compact. It is hot, but threaded barrel with the barrel adapter on it, the muzzle, the thread protector, you know, all that good stuff. And that's pretty much it. Hope y'all like the video. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Don't forget to do that. Like what you see, hit that like button, comment, check out some more of my videos. I might have some on the screen somewhere or something. But I'll catch you next time.